Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about what is dissolved oxygen. You know that dissolved oxygen is the amount of gaseous oxygen present in the water in its dissolved state. It is commonly known as DO. DO कहते हैं इसको. DO is the most important indicator of the health of a water body and its capacity to support a balanced aquatic ecosystem of plants and animals. Friends, higher dissolved oxygen level indicates a better water quality. If dissolved oxygen level are too low, some fish and other organisms may not be able to survive. So friends, how it is available? This is our question. Mostly dissolved oxygen in water comes from oxygen in the air. ज़्यादातर जो ऑक्सीजन आते हैं वो एयर से आते हैं. Also, it comes from the photosynthetic process done by aquatic plants. Water temperature and the volume of moving water affect dissolved oxygen level. Oxygen dissolves easier in cooler water than warmer water. ये ठंडे में easily dissolve होते हैं लेकिन गर्म पानी में easily dissolve नहीं होते. Salinity is also an important factor in determining the amount of oxygen a body of water can hold. As the amount of dissolved salts in the water increase, the amount of oxygen the water can hold decreases. Hence, for lower saline water, it increases. Now, friend, dissolved oxygen measurement method. कैसे आप मेजरमेंट करेंगे डिसॉल्व ऑक्सीजन जो पानी के अंदर प्रेजेंट. पानी के अंदर ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट है ये आपको पता लगाना है. पानी के अंदर ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत क्या है? आप जान रहे हैं कि एक्वेटिक लाइफ को ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. तो उसके लिए कई मेथड है. देयर आर 3 मेथड्स अवेलेबल फॉर मेजरिंग डिसॉल्व ऑक्सीजन concentration in water. First method is titration method. Second method is calorimetric method. And last method is optical or electrochemical sensor. Now friends, titration method. The method for dissolved oxygen analysis is known as Rinkel methods, also known as iodometric method. So Winkler methods में क्या चीज़ की ज़रूरत है? The chemical required manganese sulfate solution MnSO4 4H2, alkali iodine oxide, Kong sulfuric acid, a starch solution, standard sodium thiosulfate solution, standard potassium dichromate solution. Now friend, what is the procedure? इसमें करते क्या है? So take 300 ml of water sample in the bottle, add 2 ml of manganese sulfate solution, उसमें 2 ml manganese sulfate आप डालेंगे, and 2 ml of alkali oxide solution to the sample. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? मिक्स करेंगे. Mix the solution obtained by inverting the bottle for at least 15 minutes, 15 times. Precipitate begin to form, allow it to settle, leaving a clear supernatant liquid above. शेक कर दिया. फिर देखेंगे आप प्रेसिपिटेट गिरना शुरू किया, फिर आप उसको शेक करेंगे, कई टाइम्स ये काम करेंगे. After 2 minutes of settling, remove the stopper and add 3 ml of sulfuric acid by allowing acid to run from the neck of the bottle. Next, friend, apply the stopper and mix again until the dissolution is complete. And take about 3 ml of the solution from bottle to flask. Then उसको टाइट्रेट करेंगे. टाइट्रेट with 0.025 in sodium thiosulfate solution to pale straw color. Add 1.2 ml starch solution and continue the titrations until blue color dissipates. And note down the volume of sodium thiosulfate added with deoxylutin milligram per liter. So friend, how you do the calculation? The formula to calculate amount of DO will be given as the amount of DO, dissolved oxygen, present in water sample milligram per liter. So total number of sodium thiosulfate required into normality of the sodium thiosulfate into 1000 into equivalent weight of oxygen and divided in volume of sample. Now friends, what chemical reactions happen? First, white precipitate form MnO2, brown precipitate form MnOH fullerized. After adding acid, iodine, and iodine is titrated by thiosulfate, then I-S4O6. अब यहाँ पर देखें कि कैसे Mn2 प्लस OH माइनस के साथ रिएक्शन करके MnOH2 देता है. फिर क्या होते हैं कि MnOH2 जो है वो O2 के साथ जो VO2 प्रेजेंट है रिएक्शंस करके, ये इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. ब्राउन प्रेसिपिटेट फॉर्मेशन होता है किसका? MnOH फुल्लेराइज, जो सॉलिड, यही प्रेसिपिटेट है. अब ये जो सॉलिड है उसमें आपने क्या एसिड डाल दिया और आयोडीन, तो ये I2 दिया और Mn2 प्लस जो स्टार्ट यहाँ से वहीं से ये फिर निकल गए और वाटर और I2. अब ये I2 कितनी प्रोड्यूस हुई वो पता लगा लेंगे टाइट्रेशन से, जिसमें I- बनते हैं, S4O6 2- बनते हैं. So friend, colorimetric methods. There are two variations of dissolved oxygen analysis by the colorimetric method. They are known as the indigo-carmine methods and rhodazine-D method. Both variations use colorimetric reagent that react and change color when reacted with the oxygen in the water. These interactions are based on the oxidation of the reagents, and the extent of the color change is proportional to the dissolved oxygen concentration. A spectrophotometer, colorimeter or simple computer is used for measuring dissolved oxygen. Now friends, indigo-carmine methods क्या है? What is indigo-carmine methods? The Indiocarmine method is used for measuring dissolved oxygen concentration between 0.2 and 50 ppm milligram per liter. This method produces a blue color, the intensity of which is proportional to the dissolved oxygen concentration. This method is not affected by temperature, salinity or dissolved gases. Now friends, Rhodazine method, D method क्या है? What is Rhodazine D method? The Rhodazine D method is used to determine very low dissolved oxygen concentration up to parts per million, ppb, part per billion. Rhodazine D reagents react with dissolved oxygen to form a deep rose colored solution. This colorimetric method is not affected by salinity or dissolved gases present in the water sample. In addition, sample color and turbidity can affect the accuracy of the reading. This method is time dependent as the analysis must be made within 30 seconds of initial the reading. Now friend, optical sensor. Optical dissolved oxygen sensor measure the interaction between oxygen and certain luminescence dyes. When exposed to blue light, these dyes become excited, electronic gaining energy, and emit light as the electrons return to their normal energy state. When dissolved oxygen is present, the return wavelength are limited or altered due to oxygen molecules interacting with the dye. The measured effect is inversely proportional to the partial pressure of oxygen. Friend, as oxygen crosses the membrane, it interacts with the dye, limiting the intensity of the luminescence. The intensity of the return luminescence is measured by a photodetector and used to calculate the dissolved oxygen concentration. So what is the significance of DO in water? क्या है इसका importance? The level of oxygen is a much more important measure of water quality. इससे आपको वाटर की क्वालिटी का पता चलता है कि ऑक्सीजन कितना है, ये किसी चीज़ के सर्वाइवल के लिए सूटेबल है या नहीं है. Dissolved oxygen is absolutely essential for survival of all aquatic organisms, not only fish, but also invertebrates such as crabs, clams, zooplankton, and oxygen affects a vast number of other water indicators, not only biochemicals but also like the odor, clarity and taste. Friend, as dissolved oxygen level in water drop below 5.0 milligram per liter, aquatic life is put under stress. The lower the concentration, greater the stress. Oxygen level that maintain below 1 to 2 milligram per liter for a few hours can result in large fish escape. Total dissolved gas concentration in water should not be exceed 110% concentration. Above this level can be harmful to aquatic life. Fish in water containing excessive dissolved gases by suffer from gas bubble disease. However, this is very rare occurrence. External bubbles, emphysema, can also occur and seen on fins or skins and other tissue. So friends, in a community water supply, a high DO level is good because it makes drinking water taste better. However, high DO level speed up corrosions in water pipes. For this reason, industries use water with the least possible amount of dissolved oxygen. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and thanks for watching. जब आप सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, लाइक करते हैं, तो वीडियो बनाने में हिम्मत बुलंद होती है. तो आप इसको सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.